Project code ITPYML06. Project title Prediction of User Purchased a Production on Social Network Ads Using Supervised Machine Learning Technique. Abstract. Here we take the dataset for user purchase intention. Abstract. Here we take the dataset. This is the data science project. We take the dataset for user purchase intention dataset. So mobile phones and mobile phones brands datasets and EDA process. Then we take the EDA process. EDA means accelerated data analysis, and you using here univariate analysis, univariate, bivariate, multivariate, and correlation and outliers. These types of analyzation, visualization also, and then feed the machine learning algorithms to train the machine learning model. We get the machine learning model and cross validation process, getting the accuracy and F1 score, precision, recall, and comparing the best accuracy. And then we get deploy the which algorithm giving best accuracy to deploy the GUI. Here we giving the brand you want to buy mobile phone, which brand you want. Here you give input information, you get the best brand. User purchase intention. Existing system, they are using consumer neurological theory, and there is the development of social network management, upgrading e-commerce enterprises. Consumer neurological theory researchers, they are using existing drawback is not to capture the consumer brain waves, is not capture consumer brains. Consumer brains, these are the main drawbacks. Clearly this is not focused on clearly consumer purchase intention, this is not focused purchase intention. Proposing concepts, this is the data science project. Here we take the dataset consumer purchase intention dataset and data pre-processing and data wrangling and EDA process. EDA means statistical analysis, statistical, using here NumPy, Pandas. This is the Python package. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Matplotlib. This is the analysis process. After then, feature engineering process. How to feed the machine learning algorithm to build the data. Machine feature engineering, and after that, feed the machine learning algorithm, ML algorithms, and getting the best accuracy. After that, we feed the GUI, giving input information, get the brand, which brand is best. Proposed advantages is the best model for user purchase intention for AI model, best model for machine learning model. Here the less complexity and physical model. There is a comparing to the physical model performance compared to the, you will compare physical performance, this model. Existing algorithm technique capture the consumer brainwaves. They are capturing manual capturing. consumer brains. Proposed algorithm. Here you are using supervised machine learning technique. Supervised machine learning technique, supervised algorithm, classification method. Which, which brand is best? Intention. Architecture diagram. Here, take input information to this is that our data set, and then we EDA process hearing, EDA and feature engineering also. EDA means statistical process. Statistical means visualization and numerical analysis. That's and pre-processing, and here using the user purchase intention, machine learning, unsupervised ML algorithm to compare that one. Here using the accuracy, best accuracy, which algorithm the best accuracy performance, getting the best accuracy and predict the GUI process. Finally, we predict the GUI. So which brand is best? This is the architecture. Application user real time. This is using prototype to detect the best brand for the given features. To detect the best brand for given features. Feature enhancement. This is you will automate this process. You will deploy the web application and mobile application and also desktop application. To this is the automated process. Future work. Here software technology using here software Anaconda Navigator with Jupyter Notebook. Anaconda with Jupyter Notebook. Here lots of inbuilt library having Anaconda Navigator. That is the easy process to build the data science project. Inbuilt libraries like as pandas, numpy, matplotlib, visualization purpose, and then sklearn, scikit-learn. This is the machine learning algorithm to split the train test. This is a lots of transforming methods. We have the sklearn methods. Okay. Hardware, minimum requirements of hardware. Minimum requirements. Processor, Intel processor, RAM 4 GB, and 15-inch color display, and 40 GB hard disk. Thank you for watching this video.